Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you some of our range of universal drain hoses for washing machines and dishwashers. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. BuySpares have a range of universal hoses available in different lengths and fitting diameters. When ordering, it is important to check your appliance has the same connection as the hose you are choosing. This will ensure you order the correct hose to fit your appliance. We have lowered this machine onto its side and released the drain pump. If we check the connection, you can see this one has a 90-degree connection and the diameter of the hose is 20 mm. This universal hose has an angled connection of 20 mm, so can be used. The full process of fitting the hose is shown in another of our videos. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.